In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the month function to return the beginning of the month for every single month as opposed to the end of the month. So first we have our date right here, then we're going to use the month function, so equals EO month. What this function does is it just returns the end of the month for every single month, right? So we have the date, we put in 0, and then that gives us the end of the month, Alt-H-N-S, and that gives us the end of the current month. Now, if we want the beginning of the next month, all you have to do is add 1. And then you have 1/1/2023, and then you can scroll this down. As you can see, the first of every single month. And you can do this for any number of days in the month you want. So if you want the first 7 days in the month, you can just change that right there. There you have it. That's how you can use the month function to return the beginning of every single month. And you can also adjust the text formatting if you don't want this to appear, change this to white, or that it doesn't show up. And there you have it, the beginning of the month for every single month using an Excel formula. And this is one of the things that it's not necessarily hard that now that you see it, I'm sure it's like not difficult, but it's like thinking of the solution. So hope you found this to be useful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.